Today is Friday, November 2nd. The time is 11:42 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Certified Football Break, break number 2. Good luck, everybody. First card, Patriots, Jabbar Gaffney. Jaguars, Lauren Robinson. Immortals, Chiefs, Christian Oyoki. Serial number 896 out of 999. Vikings, Piercy Harvin. 49ers, Frank Gore. Patriots, Tom Brady. Jets, Tim Tebow. New Generation, Redskins, autograph, Alfred Morris, serial number 64 out of 350. Bears, Brandon Marshall. Rams, Cortland Finnegan. Raiders, Carson Palmer. Chiefs, Matt Castle. Brandon Marshall. Serial number 101 out of 250. The Bears. Falcons, Rod White. Seahawks, Doug Baldwin. Ravens, Anquan Bolden. Steelers, Ben Roethlisberger. Jaguars, New Generation, Andre Branch. Serial number 86 out of 100. Saints, Mark Ingram. Cardinals, Beanie Wells. Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. Lions, Stefan Tulak. New Generation, Buccaneers, Levante David, serial number 501 out of 999. Bears, Matt Forte. Buccaneers, Mike Williams. Jaguars, Mike Thomas. Jets, Darrelle Revis. Jets, New Generation autograph, Terrence Ganaway, serial number 115 out of 250. Michael Crabtree, 49ers. Bears, Brian Urlacher. Browns, Greg Little. Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. New Generation, Lions, Riley Reef. Serial number 10 out of 250. Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Rams, Steven Jackson. Bills, Mario Williams. Raiders, Darius Hayward-Bay. Ravens, Joe Flacco. 49ers, serial number 5 out of 99. Frank Gore, jersey. Panthers, Jonathan Stewart. Rams, James Laurinaitis. Giants, Jason Pierre-Paul. Eagles, LaShawn McCoy. Colts, New Generation, Levon Brazil. Serial number 230 out of 999. Tony Gonzalez, Falcons. Seahawks, Golden Tate. And the last pack, Bengals, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. Browns, Montario Hardestay. Packers, Greg Jennings. Serial numbered 94 out of 299. Broncos, rookie materials, Ronnie Hillman. Saints, Marquise Colston. And the last card, Darrell Washington, Cardinals. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks.